we are back. My kid just went back to her mom, so I've got some free time. I don't want that. That's let's keep it family friendly. I might go back to Catnap Radio. It's just pretty chill. I was really jamming out to it last night, or relaxing to it. So get reacclimated here. I think for these cave entrances, I'm going to have a spawn in front of it. Excuse me. So that'll be top transitions. So when we go up, it's going to be so -16. We're going to need 15 and 21. No, what am I? No, I think that is right. We can test that out now. So if I go up here and then we come out, we should be one tile below, one cell below. Yeah. I'm doing that because if we spawn right on it and then we go to the right, it's going to spawn us back in. I mean, I could add some logic to account for that, but excuse me, I think it just makes sense to do it that way. Right. Yeah. Cool. So I think, do we want danger on the world? Or on the main, I mean? Nah. So, go to our worlds. I might have to organize this a bit. It's kind of getting wild. Like maybe a GUI folder. No. Actually, that's gonna. Those are gonna go into my utility. Same with that. That's gonna be utility. Back up. So all of this goes into there. GUI. Hopefully it doesn't break anything. We're gonna clean this up. Let's see. That can go to utility. But you know what? Crap, now I have to reselect. That's all right. Okay, that looks good. Really. Oh, I did have a window. It's in here. My bad. Wait, did I just... Crap. I think I just overwrote an old screen flash, but that's okay. I think. Effects. Something like that. We'll just put all these in there. Does top layer need it? No. Let's see if everything works. Enemy battle info. I put that in the GUI. Battle text. You might want to put that in battle. Can't preload. Why not? I think we have to do a reload. Okay. Oh no. Did I just totally mess up my project? Let's see. GUI. This is fine. Maybe that's why. Do I have to open that too? Utility/GUI. Oh man. Oh crap. Does that just have to be in here? Oh, shoot. So I have to fix the GUI. Please work. Yeah, moving files around in Godot is always a bit of a gamble, unfortunately. At least when you're moving scenes around. That looks fine. I don't know where it was getting that from, because I can't find that sound anywhere. I mean, I know I can get it from farming, whatever I call it, Untitled Nature Game. Alright, so that's in there. So we go back here. Alright, looks a little buggy, but it opened. Please work. Are you gonna crash again? I think it's loading maybe the wrong text box. I don't know why, but let's try just doing that and saving it. Okay, how's our text box? Looks broken, but yeah, let's see if we can run the game. Options is null. So why is options null? What are we calling that in? GUI text box. Okay, no. I think we actually want to that's actually an old one. What we want to do is just copy that, paste that in. Is that not working? You know what? No. Whatever. Can I just change? Just delete this. And we're going to pull in this one. What? What? Fun. Lots of fun. I need something more upbeat. I don't think we want that. I swear, A is getting double pressed. Save that. Can I put a text box in there now? Okay. There. I think that's okay. Okay. I don't get that. What? That's the old. Okay, so it was that one that was breaking? All right, I think we fixed everything there. Need sound effects. Oh, we have to load those in. Close that. Let's do that. That way they can use it, and so it'll be. Let's just look at how they get it here. So we're getting all of these dictionaries. And so we get the values in there. I think we need the keys too. Oh, what do we call that? This keyboard is messing me up. Yeah, like it. Yeah, like I pressed it once there. It's okay now. I'm gonna do 4. Oops. Whoops. This will be, I think, alright. Get dot keys. Do so for tile interaction and that we're gonna do tile. It's a little confusing. So we're getting that. Let's call it cells. I think that should work. Something like toggled. We want to didn't I? Yeah, where is that? Where's that function? That should be in here. What the heck? And like that shouldn't be in there. What is going on? Oh, crap. Yeah, this is old. We don't even need that. I don't know how that stayed in there. But this doesn't have the function either. Like, I made that function. Very weird. And that A, I think this keyboard's foobar. I don't have that. Oh, I put it in tile map layer. But that's incorrect. We want it here. And so if that, we're gonna do, wow, this keyboard really is jacked. let's change this. We're gonna do cell in cells. That's gonna be tile interaction cell. We're gonna open it so we can. Hopefully that'll work. No. The index top layer. So your name needs to be, whoops, let's do, let's see if that works. All right, that works. Now I want to see that chest opened when we come back in. Yeah, perfect. And see if I take this out, the chest should be unopened, right? So do that. Cool. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Turn that off for a sec. I think we can put that on for now. I think while that's loading, it's like, I think I have it in a separate folder, but we can just select RPG sounds. I think that's the one. That'll be interesting. Oh, stop it. Ouch. I don't want to. Inspired by Chrono Trigger. Download it. Oh, jamming. Chinese RPG version. Holy crap, 201 megabytes. Get out of town. Let's try again. Type. Why does that sound like a fart? What kind of... That's like a Zelda thing they're going for. It's like RPG sound pack. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oof. I guess the streaming's taking all of my bandwidth here. Kenny is the best. Just makes that stuff, puts it in the public domain. Alright, so what I want to do, get this in the game art. And we want to put, we got to rename it. And I don't want those SFKs. I don't know what the heck that is. Can we just open all these? How about we condense it? Does he have a chest? Maybe this. That could be good. Oops. It's a metal latch. So I think I'll just put that on. How do we want to handle that? Let's see. Can we preload and ready? Let's see. Yeah. And child. We're gonna call this actually I think we can do it this way. Be like that. So this is like instead of putting that in every tile map layer, top layer, I can just put it there, and it's already added. We just have to set the stream. Then we go down to here. When we open that chest, we're gonna do audio play varied pitch, chest open. Doesn't match audio stream player. Does it not need to be? Oh, 2D is for, yeah, positional, so we don't need that. So let's go give that a whirl. Definitely did not hear that. Let's see. Let's just try. Let's see if it's actually playing it. No. Just itself. Play audio very pitch. So we make it here. Why doesn't that work? Does it need to be loaded or what? Am I missing something in here? Stream. Should be fine. Yeah, I mean, maybe that file's not loading and it's not giving us a warning. No, it's just not working. you know what? We don't add it. We have to add it to the tree. Oh no, wrong. There we go. I can put that back. I guess we can do that. No, we're gonna make sure that plays first. And I think we want to give you this. That way you can do that. And we'll have access to the functions that we need. All right, what's that? Text is declared but not used. That's because we had that commented out. I think I want to yield. Can we add a delay to that? I'm gonna do that. Visible return. So I think here do delay. We're gonna yield. Oh, that's wrong. We gotta do that. So now I can do 0.1. So that'll give us time to hear that sound, but it will still freeze the player. I can do it a little bit longer. Maybe just a hair slow. Timing is everything. Ah. We'll get it right. 0.1 was too fast. That's good. Cool. So we need to sell. Check for interactive tile. I guess we just check if sidebar just no sell all the top word. So if do if or we could just check if it's toggled, which would be if tile interactions. You know what? That's That's all right. We can do it like this. So it would be if that's x is equal to 1, let's do is equal prox. That is approximately 1.0. We return, and just already open 1.0 open. Or you know what we could do is 0. This is more specific. I don't think it matters too much anyway. So we open the chest. Good. Now, not making a sound. You know what might be fun is if it's open, we can still close it. Let's do this for our target word as close equals. Actually, we just, if that, we do else 1.0. And then this is going to be right here. But we're not going to mess with toggled. I'll open it, skip to the text, we can go back, we can toggle it. I think we'll just load it back in as it opened by default, so I don't have to worry about resetting toggle. So one thing I want to, I think, focus on is improving the wall art. I think it needs an auto tile, but before I do that, I'm going to try a much simpler method that I think will help keep it with the retro low-res art style. And we can do a little research. I have to remember here to turn off that because I don't want to end up playing any copyrighted music. So if we do like Dragon Warrior or I guess that's fine. Seeing the map. Let's just find a normal cave. So it's a little bit hard to see, but you can see that there's a top sprite and then there's a bottom sprite. And there might be, no, that's it, right, for the walls. I really need a higher resolution so I can show you. Let's just do that. And like maybe this looks pretty good. Yeah. Got the pixels here, so, but Lord knows where the actual art is. Can I just do, there we go. So, well, this one's maybe a bad example because it has these additional like raised platforms, but let's not focus on them yet. Basically, you have this tile, and there's one for the top, and then there's one for the bottom. They're just repeating this 4 times here. And maybe it'll be a good thing to just check out in Paint so I can teach you a little bit. I mean, I like looking at this stuff for my own education as well. So your tiles are basically this. It's 16 by 16, and they're just repeating it 4 times here. Right? That's the same graphic. It's the same thing here, I think. Right? So it's like 16 by 16, and they design it so that it tiles seamlessly. That's why you see part of the rock on the edge. Actually, I could be wrong. It looks like there is some variance. They might have like 4 different tiles here. Anyway, so a way I wanted to do this in code was I would set a base wall height, and then I can automatically check if there's no wall tile beneath it, and then we'll make that this shaded wall. And then these, I hadn't even thought of these. These are like very, they make me think of Pokemon, like the Game Boy. Well, I guess a lot of those 2D Pokemons had caves like this. I mean, Pokemon's like very heavily inspired by Dragon Quest. It's just they add, Pokemon, and it takes place in like a more contemporary society. But yeah, I'm gonna focus on the walls. I'm not necessarily like trying to copy exactly what they're doing here, but we'll figure it out. So anyway, I'll save that. Close that. So to achieve what I was thinking, I think we need. I think I put it down here. I want to give room for different walls. We can always just update the placement. So we'll put it here. And basically, I'm going to take that, I'm going to paste it, and so I'm leaving room for 5 variations. And I'm going to make this darker. But the problem is that I'm already pretty dark. Right, so, I mean, I don't know if we want to go full black like that. I mean, it would make the cave feel darker. But what we could do, instead of black, all black, we can kind of pepper in the black, which they're kind of, doing in there, right? And so we can kind of, create some. We do want to get rid of those white specks. I think those need to become this. And then we just throw in some black. Right? Maybe like, let it be a little more organic. Oops, I don't like that line. That was a rough one. Actually, that's kind of nice. And then, all right, that's actually emulating the original pretty well. So we're just, for now, going to have 1 for that. So that's exported. Sorry, got to cancel your adventure there, guys. So we need to find main. We're gonna clean these up a bit. We go to art. So now worlds. It's let's go to the cave. So we can close that text box for now. So what I'm gonna do, zoom in, make a new atlas. Looks like I have to update, or what do I have to do? Yeah, my grid got reset. That's okay. Do 8, 8, 8, 8. So we want to just do that for now. It's going to be. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong thing here. We want to be on the bottom layer, right? Because that's where our walls are. So we're going to add it to this one. Be all, maybe shadow. All shadow. Keep it consistent. That was my chair. I'm not flatulating. So we have to add wall shadow here. Let's make that solid. We need a comma. And then I think for now we're not gonna like hard code change our layer, but what I will do is for now we'll just put it in ready, but it'll probably get moved to its own function. So we'll do like for cell and get used cells by ID, and that's going to be, might take a second. Did I not do that right? Is it tile underscore set? Okay, find tile by name. So we're going to do walls. And okay. Oh, that A keeps doubling. I might have to like rip that key out and see what's up and possibly return this thing. So I'm going to do we need to find the cell beneath it. And so we'll do if cell plus equals vector2 dot down. If do that, then we're if this equals invalid cell, I might just call it -1 for that. I like doing that better. Oh, not plus equals, plus that. Then let's do this too. That way we just set it once. Then we do it's going to be actually, oh no, that's fine, but we need our copy that. Let's do that. So if my logic is right, I think you'll appreciate what's about to happen. And my logic was not right. So back to the drawing board. Let's walk through what we're doing. Wall shadow. And let me make sure we are printing if it's a typo, so that's good. We don't have to worry about that. Use cells by ID. Target cell, cell, 2 down. Yeah, that's right. So if that equals -1, we want to make us that. Cell A. Okay, why is that not running? we getting any? Are these not called walls or something? What? Or is it cave walls maybe? Oh, cave walls, that's why. Duh. We also need to check if it's not wall. So not that, we want to do is not equal to, I think here we're going to actually do this. Should be called cave wall shadow. So do that, place that, and do cave walls ID. Change this to that. We want if it's not equal to cave. A is driving me nuts, guys. It's just messing me up constantly. And then the one last thing we have to do is go here and change this to cave wall shadow. So now every bottom cave wall should be, yeah. See how cool that is? We also need to account for that. I guess that's all right. Right, for single height walls. See how much better that looks? Like it, just that little bit of code and one tile adds so much dimension to it, right? Yeah, we do need to account for that. I think what we might do is just say, I don't know, it's tricky because we could just automatically place it. I think we need to just account for it in code or when we're designing the map. Right, but now these feel like actual walls. And we could also do something like wall height. And say we make that 2, we're gonna do, also want this, just declare this once. It's technically a bit better. I'm not doing that with that. Or it's already there. So then we do, chop that equals that. And so it's going to be for I in wall height. And do this. And underscore because we don't need it. So we'll keep going down. Or no, that's not right. Here's what we do. Target. Well, how do I handle height? You know what? I don't feel like messing with wall height right now. So I'm just going to leave it. Make sure it still works. Yeah, looks good. All right, so our walls have height. I might want to have it print out, like if anything is not, yeah, at least 2 in height. So that looks kind of goofy. But I guess it's all right. It just feels like a ledge, you know? It's really not that bad. Yeah, I think that's totally valid. Like it feels like you could jump off of that. and we could maybe put that functionality. Like, and we could also see. I love this part of game design. This stuff is so exciting to me. Let me make sure. I want to get music back. All right, so we're free to play music. So I think adding ledges will be fun. And so I need to write down some things. That's all I need to write down because I know the other part that I want to do. So in first off, call this like and I'll probably make this reusable so that I can do it with all walls. And we just can send in a height based on the level or something like that. And the reason we do this is it's a lot easier to design the layout without having to go in and manually put in all the shadows. And so we can just do it through, like 6 lines of code, 7 lines of code. So that's good stuff. So we've got that. Ledges. Okay, so ledges, that's going to go into our collision check. I'm just testing it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in, but we'll see how it looks. So we'll do... Okay, so if top layer collision, if there's not top layer collision, check bottom layer. So var tile target equals that. So if we have collision, I think we can check. Okay, so those are all doors, but here's where we want to do. So if get cell the let's do not get cell the target cell equals find. Oh. So this is the cave wall. It's going to be a shadow, I think. Yeah. Cave wall's shadow. If get cell the target cell plus vector 2. Right. And I think we're going to do this. We might just want to store that up the top. So basically, oh no, down. Actually, do if movement, we just vector to do that. And so if our target cell, if we're moving down and our target cell is a cave wall shadow, then we're going to check if the one below it is open. We could just do movement. That's fine. Then we're actually going to make or two and else return. Oops. So we're gonna like go through that tile, and we can animate the jump later. So let's go find a ledge. Let's get this stick first. The chest. Closed it. It's a trick. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Target cell. Does that have to be 3? Possible that broke. Like that code might not work at all right now. But we should check if we're getting to here. Alright, so that's solid going that way. No, so we're not getting there. Are we getting anywhere? And that could be a typo. Cave wall shadow. So target cell is that. Target cell. Oh no, this is wrong. We do not equals to. There we go. We jumped. That's kind of neat. So I have to update followers. Actually, you know, that actually makes sense. I don't have to, because I programmed it well. Surprisingly, look at that. It's beautiful. Maybe we make like a little jump sound effect. And we're going to do like we did here. We're just going to put that in code. Call it jump. Just copy that. Jump. Oh. Change it to jump. We need a new sound for it. Let's see if I have anything. Explosion. That could be fun. If we were being very ironic. Alright, so let's see what we've got. No. Let's see. Action. No. Oh, I already have my stair sounds. So we can get those in for the transitions. Let's go to Kenny, see if we can get a jump or something that would work for it. Try in here. Something a little retro maybe. Oh, yeah, look at all these jumps. So, these are all a little too like pixely. That's kind of a good one. We'll put that in there for now. A lot of jumps. Let's just like run all through all these last ones. It's too fast. So I think, is it this one? That one's not bad. I'll put it in there in case. Where's jump? Is it called? I already closed it, of course. Just do this. Jump. What the heck? Where'd it go? Are they not the right file format or something? You gotta be kidding me, man. Come on. M4A, are those not valid? I feel like I've used them before. Oh, man, I don't remember the numbers I liked. Is it like 9? No. What am I doing lasers now? That does sound like it. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Jump 9. I have it already. This is totally safe, right? Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I should just get like a legit Audacity. Yeah, let's just get Audacity. Instead of messing with these online things. Reject. We'll just assume that they have that they're pretty safe. Yeah, that's good. Sure. Sounds good. Oh, let's read it. Let's read this whole thing. Kidding. Oh, that's good. Sure. Sure. Launch it. And that logo is dated. Dated. We're going to pin it because I feel like we're going to be needing this. Maybe I'll put it. So we're going to, can we do a drag and drop? Love it. FFmpeg. I feel like I've had to do this before. So how do I get that? Yeah, I had to do this on my old computer. I remember that's how I got those sounds working. Okay. Yeah, this looks safe. Not. What the frick? YOLO. Oh my gosh. just living life on the edge here. All right, so it sounded like it would be automatic. Okay. Hey now. Hey now, you're a rock star. Export audio. I'm showing my age. Let's do OGG. Get Oggy with it. Where do we export to? I didn't even look. Let me change that. Cool. So, no. Now we can just go back here, and now we have a file that Godot will accept. And instead of that, we're going to do this. And down here when we jump, we're going to do dot, oh no. The guy, I just have to add this to the to-do. Maybe we can do this before, but I need to make sure that's not looping. All right, good. Let's test our jump. And the next question is, do we want to play the jump every time they go down? Uh-oh. That's not right. Walking through walls now. Stuck walls. It's probably down in our collision here somewhere. Let us else return. I think this is probably messing us up. Let's do that. And I don't need that anymore. Down here. So if we're colliding and target cell is a cave wall shadow, I feel like that should work. I don't know exactly why we were walking through walls there. These look good now. Okay, that fixed it. So maybe they're just silent, or here's what I'm thinking. There's a little fruit fly. Hold on. Just like jump. Now equals 0. And so, what if we did? Bear with me. Jump. Equals 3. So we're going to do that actually. Whoops. Are there any returns up there? No. So we can actually do 4. For 4, it's going to be size. That'll work once we have an accurate follower count. And is there a way I can get that to play? Let's do this one. Screw it. Let's have them all go. So we'll do 3 for now. We're gonna play that once. And I guess if we're not moving, we're not going to be playing that. So we'll do 4. And we do if. So check this. Oops. Oh, because we have to reload to get that reference. Let me turn on so you guys can hear what's happening. Back here. So it's only playing that if we have jump count and if we're able to move. All right. And I do think we're going to take that. I mean, it'll be different when we have music playing, but it's kind of loud. Like 8. And just see how that is. Because I want it to be not annoying. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Alright. Okay, that's all for the audio for you guys. Let's see. Should probably make a full party. But so we're going to finish this. I do want that. And let's make some extra party members. Let's stop that. Go in here. Try and duplicate that. Player 2. I'll rename them later. Player 3. Maybe we change up to player 0. So they're in order. Is our battle actor, is that broken or something? So I'm not seeing any exports. So we're going to do a reload. And we'll try and make those party members. And no. All right, that's not good. Why is that data not loading? It's not working for any of them. Actor. That's not good. Did your script get moved? Do you need it open? Do you need the base open or what? Okay. This is not what I want. I'm gonna make a duplicate test. And so on you, we're gonna try doing that. Okay, so when that happens, we're gonna do a full quit and reload. And if I can't get that working, I'm gonna have to do some research. Come on game. Oh jeez. Where the heck is their data? Let's see. Great, they solved it and they didn't post what they did. Oh, it's just not showing. Okay, so it says try making a change in the script. Let's do... Let's see, does that do it? That did it! Hey, how about that? Cool. We didn't lose all of our data. That's wonderful. So, all right, we've got llama, we've got tofu, for some reason, Chris, and Alex, Alina. Who should we get? Hey, Mama Cat, who should we put? What do you think? What if it's just Mama? We do Mama. Mama. This is gonna be a fun party. So now I can go to globals and we just do this. Or delete that this thing. Gotta make sure that they're on. That's gonna cause problems. So who's save you? Then does that fix it? Battle actor player is calling it. That's they shouldn't be doing that. Who is battle actor player? Saying the players using it. I don't see where they are. Was actor. Let's just do a search. Oh, I think I know. Is it an export? I could just pull it out. No. Here's what we're going to do. Hold. Let's see. So we got the whole party now. They don't have. They all share what Tofu has, but other than that, they're there. And so now in our tile map layer, that code will work. Right, because we want to jump for each party member. I might make my game so that you have to be like beneath the chest and that these will be solid. We'll figure that out. Oops, sorry. Just grabbing my headphones and I yanked the mic. I have to update this to be based on the party size. We'll worry about that later. I think I'm ready for a break. It's been real. Let's log off of this. All right.